Hey guys, Dr. Dex here. Today we are working on staircases and landings. We're right in the middle of framing up a landing and putting in some posts and some footings so that we can start framing up a staircase. So if you like what you see today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out fresh content. We appreciate your likes and don't forget to share these videos. All right, let's go check this out. We know where our landing is placed, and we need to put a couple posts down from the landing all the way to the ground. We're putting some 18-inch oversized footing blocks in the ground, and then we're going to use adjustable saddles, put in our 4x6s, and then crank them up to the right level. And that's what we're doing right now. So I have my Stabila plate level, and just to verify what we did, we drew a circle where our footing needed to go, and then we cut it out, dug the hole, put our footing in there, and it's pretty accurate where we need it to be. So this one's good. It's ready to go. Looks good. We just got to finish this one up, and then we'll be able to put these posts in. Okay, so now we have our landing framed up. We're ready to start framing up our staircase, which I think we're going to bring into this side yard area and do here, because once it's completely framed up, it's going to be extremely heavy to lift and try to get through this gate. It's going to be wider than the gate. So I think that's our next step, is kind of move some things around and get this staircase kind of placed where we want it, and we'll go from there. This way. I mean, I don't want to. I'm thinking as long as I stop in front of the. All right, so I thought I had this thing licked. We cleared the heat pump. Everything's looking good, but then we have all these service boxes on the side of the house over here, which I thought we were going to clear, but we are not clearing. And I was thinking about moving these two or lowering them, which I probably could do. This one I'm not so sure about because there's stuff going right into the house right here. But this one I don't want to move. So we have to go back to the drawing board, reframe this landing bigger, push it out another 3 deck boards for about 16.5 inches so that we can clear all this stuff on the side of the house. The bonus to this is that it'll give us more ventilation on the heat pump, but the bummer is I got to tear this down that we just built and start over. So the first 4 hours of the day have been ruined. It is what it is. Sometimes, you know, you come into these things thinking one thing and then things change. We're going to tear this landing down and reframe it, start over, remount it, and then cry a little bit. I'm probably still going to have to lower this one telephone box, but I'm pretty sure I can do that. I got to see where the wires are going into the house and how much slack we have. But everything else can remain the way it is if I just change the width of the landing, and then I'll have to go get new glass and so on and so forth, but it is what it is. So I think I'd rather just eat the time, fix the problem we have, and then move on. So that's what we're going to do. Go this way an inch. All right, we're almost to the point where we were before I realized we had a problem. So sometimes that's the way it goes, man. That's the brakes. It is what it is. We're out of time today, so if you like what you saw, click that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out fresh content. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll have a better day on Monday. Over and out.